Hey, welcome to episode 106 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about borrowing money against your life insurance policy. So, if you guys are trying to pay off debt, then this may be an option for you. You guys definitely want to call your life insurance policy. And this is if you guys have whole life insurance or universal life, then you guys can possibly have a cash value. And with that cash value, you can borrow that, and then you guys will have to just figure out, what's the limits on how much you can borrow, what's the terms of it, but you can actually borrow this money. Okay, so look into it. You definitely want to call your insurance company with more information. This is an option I want to let you guys know about because this may be a great option for you because the rates may be way better than if you guys were to go and get a loan. Now, this is the thing, and I want you guys to keep this in mind. If you guys were to borrow, say if you borrow $10,000, $20,000, right? If you borrowed this money and this is your cash value, if you borrowed this money, if you don't pay it back, then that money is just going to get taken out of how much your beneficiary is going to get after you pass away. Okay, so keep that in mind. But this is definitely an option. Definitely call your insurance company and figure out, what's the good things about it, what's the bad things about it, whether you should do it or not. But I always tell people, if you can help it, try not to borrow at all. If you can help it, try to figure out your situation by just making more money and just paying off whatever you have to pay off. Okay, especially before you get into something that's supposed to be helping your family after you pass away. So definitely look into this. Some people use this as a play, though. They definitely want to borrow against it. This is what they wanted. They wanted to be able to borrow against it for different purposes. So definitely, this can be a great play for you too. Look into that part of it too. Like people that actually do this on purpose, they pay into a certain amount so that they could borrow against it and all these different things. You can definitely look into it. It's definitely a good life insurance play. But I'm talking about the people that don't have a play. You got debts, okay? You got debt and you need to pay it off. It's a different type of thing. So definitely look into it. I'll see you guys in the next episode. We're going to talk about things to avoid, what not to do when you're trying to borrow money, who you not should listen to, or what you should not do. I'll see you guys in that episode.